This is Larry with Man Cave Mayhem. Guess where we're going? Where are we going, B-Man, today?
San Diego.
Why are we going to San Diego?
Party.
To party. And that's what we're doing. Man Cave Mayhem style. Looks like it's partly cloudy with a chance of meatballs, but we're good. Moderate traffic. Brandon's keeping me company. And we're just chilling out here. It's almost like summer. Gotta love Southern California for that, at least, right? All right, here we are. We're at Silver Strand Beach in San Diego, California. So we're right there. Go right up over the hill there, and we'll be at the beach. So we're just taking a tour of the park right now, checking things out, doing a little boarding. Hopefully I don't crash because I'm old and my bones are brittle.
Remember that night under those stars when they aligned. My head and my heart both realized for the very first time just how beautiful you truly are.
See, old men can ride skateboards too, right? All right, it's day 2. Looks like we're gonna hit Balboa Park and maybe Old Town San Diego today. Waiting for the kids to get ready. They're blow drying their hair. I don't have to blow dry my hair. My hair's all done. Here's Danae, she wants to say something. Say something, Danae.
I don't want to say anything.
Say something for the peeps.
Hi.
Follow her blog on.
I don't have a blog.
And it would be a vlog, by the way. Granny, you got something to say, Grandma?
Nope.
You best say something.
Blah.
See what I have to deal with 24/7. All right, we're here at Balboa Park. We're gonna check this whole place out, see what's up. We're getting on the free tram. This should be fun.
Say that they're literally ditching us. They're like running away. Katie and I here are trying our best to keep up. We're literally freaking sprinting. Their legs are only so big. I'm running as fast. They just hopped off the tram like none other. They're hopping off. They like they're getting sit with them. Some fresh new donuts. What? Fresh new donuts.
I definitely recommend this if you're in San Diego. Balboa Park.
Shakespeare shines on. People make donations when they take pictures.
Is that what they do?
That's what people do, out of respect and appreciation for the others.
You're a salesman. Hook it up, girl. Hook him up.
You'll get extra credit for this. Do you hold this? Hold the crown and put it down.
It's Shakespeare.
Now you get to read a quote.
To your own self be true, and it must follow as the night, the day. You cannot be false to anyone.
Indeed, we must be true to ourselves or we will be false to everyone else. Very well.
Thank you.
Enjoy your visit.
All right, we're hitting the botanical building right now. The first of the food carts have arrived. Look at Danae. She is so happy. All of a sudden, she's gotten
we have to wait
happy.
a whole nother hour for all the other
All
ones
the
to come.
food carts are coming. They're en route. That's what I say.
I'm literally gonna die. I'm literally not kidding.
Are you gonna die?
Cry.
How long have you went without food? Did you eat breakfast this morning?
No, I didn't.
All right, we're here with the food trucks. My favorite time of day. Look at this. Woo! All kinds of food. We are personally starving right now because we didn't have breakfast, right, B-Man?
That's correct.
And usually I've eaten about 4 times by this time of day. So hunger has overcome me. They even have Maine lobster. Wow. A roach coach that has lobster. Only in California, right? So I think we're gonna do a little Devil Dogs barbecue.
Probably gonna be. Oh, this is where we're eating. Hey guys, I'm back with a new video. Outfit of the day. Tell us what you're wearing. Oh, ooh.
Sweet boot.
You got it going on, see?
Shorty sweet boot.
Shorty sweat. See, it's going
Oh,
on.
wait.
I love food. Having a Coke and a smile. Because look at what we have here.
Is there sauce? I was gonna say, is there sauce?
Food.
This is-
Finally.
Oh, sweet Hosanna. We just grubbed it up.
We grubbed it up.
We ate some Devil Dogs.
And they were a little warm,
Most
but
spicy,
very tasty.
but very good.
Very good.
Good going down. That's all
Good
I'm gonna
barbecue.
say.
Fleet Science Museum. It's expensive.
Let's do it.
More expensive than the other one, but
It's like $2 difference.
It's easy to say when he's not using his money. That's the way it works. What's this all about?
It's all science and really science stuff.
Katie, what's this all about?
Discs. Science.
We're in Old Town San Diego, the site of the Mormon Battalion. Now we're gonna go inside and check this out, see what this is all about. We got going on here. Yeah. So outside the Mormon Battalion, you can come and pan for gold. I'm sure it's not real gold. Some gold, Grandma? Got pyrite.
stickers.
Yeah.
Pickers.
Got pickers there. Wow, look at that. Get to washing, woman. Handle it.
I'm going.
Very good tour. If you get a chance to come to San Diego, Old Town, check out the Mormon Battalion tour. It's free and it's really neat, very interesting.
The feelings of love your presence provides. This feels like the start of something so right, but we'll never know.
All right, so we're out on the beach and we managed to get one flight in, and I killed myself with the prop. I tried to do a little hand catch and I actually hand caught it where the prop was. I don't recommend that, it kind of smarts, but it's a good little drone. It's kind of fun. You see how tiny that thing is. So we're gonna give it another shot and then we're out of here. Okay, it's final day. I got the woman cleaning the house.
Oh my gosh.
This is the way you do it. You keep them working like this and you'll never have any issues, right, woman? Anyhow, so we're getting ready to head out. Got a bunch of sleeping kids soon. Too much partying, not enough sleep, you know what I mean? So we're gonna bug out of here. Injury and all. Thumbs up on this place. A lot of fun.